This is my first Unreal Engine tutorial series, and in this tutorial I'm going to talk about some things in Unreal Engine like the interface, getting to know Unreal Engine, getting to know the interface, how to create a new project, how to get started, and some other things. So let's get started. In this place, when you open your Unreal Engine, you get this first screen. This screen, you can call it the project screen. This is where you create your new project. In Unreal Engine, we have two types of projects. We have the Blueprint project and the C++ project. This is the Blueprint project and this is C++ project, but unfortunately, I don't have Visual Studio 213. I only have Visual Studio 219. So every Unreal Engine comes with the version of Visual Studio that is needed. So since we don't have the compiler and I'm not good in programming, like typing of codes and other things, so I'm going to be using Blueprint for this tutorial. On this Blueprint area, we have different project setups. These are templates for the blueprint. We have the blank, first person, flying, puzzle, rolling, side scroller down to vehicle advance. But in this set template, I'm going to be using third person template. So after choosing your third person template, you have to change this to desktop. If you are using desktop, maybe you want to create again for desktop or tablet. If you are creating for tablet, you can choose the mobile or tablet. So I'm going to be using desktop or console for now. Then choose the maximum quality. Then sometimes you might want to create your games from scratch. That means you don't need the starter content, but for now I need the starter content to get started. So this is the location where your project will be saved, and this is the project name. So after selection, you can click create project. So I've created my project. This is just a new project, blank. So in this project, we have different interface in Unreal Engine. We have the title bar. This is the title of the level, or you can call it the name of the level. This is an example map. The map is this screen here. Everything you see here is the map. Sometimes my PC can freeze because the PC is very low. I even reduce the quality to medium, but I will still reduce it to low so that to be a little bit faster. So this is the example map. This is the file, the menu bars, file menu, edit menu, window, help menu. You can get help from these online links here. So we have the mode menu, mode bar. We have the content browser. We have the standard toolbars. These are the toolbars. We have the scene outliner, details, the project name. This is the project name, tutorial project, and this is the viewport. These are some of the buttons in the viewport. So in this place, we have the mode menu. What is a mode menu? A mode menu consists of actors, consists of paint. These are places. Place. In this place, you get different actors, front lights, box trigger, camera. You can even get your atmospheric forge, exponential forge, post processing, We have the DSP, which is the box. All these are just shapes in which you can use to build your own environment. And we have different things under the mode, under the place mode. We have the paint. These are used for vertex painting to paint some areas of materials. This is landscape. It's used to create a terrain landscape in which you can create city, villages, and some other places. And we have the foliage. Foliage is just a tool used for creating trees, rocks, grasses, and many more. So we have the geometry editing. This to edit your geometry, like the box. When creating a building, you can use this to edit your geometry by flipping it, creating, turn, word, etc. So now we have the content browser. In this content browser, it consists of different assets that are imported or created in Unreal Engine. If you want to import your assets, you can import it using the content browser. There are many ways to import. To import, you can either right-click, go to Import to Game, or you can click on this area, Import, look at Import here, or you can go to your File menu and you get what? Import. So there are many ways to import into your games. You can import characters, animations, assets, buildings, even weapons. So in this place, we have our game in a newer version of Unreal, because I'm using Unreal version 4.5, 4.5, yes, very, very low version. In the latest versions of Unreal, like Unreal 4.19 or Unreal 4.22, it is called content and not game. This is called the content, and so many features are added into Unreal. So this is the content browser, and this is the scene outliner. It contains everything you see on this area. This, let me cut it. It contains everything in this area. So this is a toolbar, standard toolbar. It contains some shortcuts from our menus. This is where you can reduce your resolution scale, the quality, so it can run very well. And we have the viewport. This is the viewport. To navigate using the viewport, we'll do that in the next episode of this tutorial. So for now, just want to introduce some of these bars. So in this place, we have different options on the viewport. We'll talk about that later. So from here, we have this scene outliner. It contains every asset or actors in the viewport. When you click, you can select any asset from the scene outliner. And if you notice, you see that any scene, any actor or box you click, it will display the details on the details panel. So the details panel can be used to edit objects on the viewport, can be used to edit objects, can be used to edit actors, and so on and so forth. So in this place, I can edit this by doing this here. See, and when I reset, goes back to 200 and then 100. So this is just the detail panel, and this is the first series of our project we are going to make. Thank you very much for your understanding. Thank you for your time.